so beautiful. Time is what makes it ugly. But time after time and through every turn in this life, I could use some stability. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Tell me, how could two people grow, rearrange and transpose, but it's always the same? I'm attracted to every way. Your mind and your body could ever change. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hei, but you can call me Semi D, okay? You can call me Semi D. To my returning subscribers, to my day ones, to those that have been here, hi guys, welcome back to yet another vlog, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Thank you so much for all the beautiful things that you do for this girl. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, and thank you for just watching, okay? Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. And to those that are coming across this channel for the very first time, hi, welcome. Hi, welcome. My name is Hei, but I always give you guys, you can call me Semi D, okay? You can call me Semi D. Please do stay. Please do stay. Please do watch the video until the end. Please do subscribe, and also please do tell your friends. Tell their friends there's the girl that you met on YouTube and her name is Semi D, okay? Thank you guys so much for just being here also, okay? Just hi and thank you. Guys, I'm so stressed. I'm stressed because for the very first time in my YouTube career, or as a creator, like, I'm always afraid of just taking videos in public, holding my camera or whatever the case is. I'm sorry guys, I don't know what's happening with my voice. And for the first time, where I was like, I'm going in, I don't care who says what. I had my camera and I had gone out with a friend and I just wanted to take, you know, cute content, okay? You know what this camera did? It was slow motion. I don't know what was happening. Like, my heart was heartbroken when I actually was editing this. And I remember, because last week I was at school the whole entire week, I was doing this Saturday evening with the hope that on Sunday I'm gonna release this video, and I end up not. And I actually uploaded it, and I uploaded it, I think, in the evening on Saturday, and Sunday morning I deleted, and I decided, you know what, let me just give you guys a post to say I was unable to do anything, because and also my laptop, guys, like, my laptop, I need a new laptop. I'm gonna repeat that, because I do need a new laptop. This laptop does not take other formats, I think. And it's actually funny because I would assume that it would take phone content more than it would take camera content. It took camera content, but it did not take phone content. And I felt some type of way because I was like, but this is supposed to be, and I end up only doing one part. This is why I was like, no, as the vlog is not giving. It really is not giving. And I just thought, let me just delete, because at some point I thought, no, maybe let me do this part and then I'm gonna upload the other part. But I was like, no. So guys, please bear with me and please watch the video, and please do watch it until the end. I'm gonna put like nice music. It's just gonna be a b-roll. It's not gonna be like interactive or anything, because like I'm telling you, it is on slow motion. You won't see it because I've tried to do something to sort of like counter that, but still, where I was talking, where there was a voice, there isn't any voice, and I don't know what was happening. So yeah, I hope also you don't feel like I'm disrespecting you guys in any way. I'm not, but I just feel like, for the very first time where I'm not scared ukuthi bazothina abantu or bazongibuka njani abantu, but I always I have a lot of things that happen here, and this time around I was just like, I don't care. And you know what happened? That happened. Uyazi ukuthi uma egqokela isikhindi, such things happen, but angizuzwa ngaye. I am gonna continue doing this. I do though want to check what is wrong with the camera, because there's actually something wrong. I did try to actually, there's another vlog that I started and I did an introduction. That introduction is also in slow motion, and I just don't know. So I need to fix that. But while I'm fixing that, I'm gonna release this vlog.
Years have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Tell me, how could two people grow? Rearrange and transpose, but it's always the same. I'm attracted to every way. Your mind and your body could ever change. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Over the years, the travel so bright. Over the fears, the you and I. Over the joys, the love and the win. Over the sun, you and I. Over the rainbow, the house and the wife. Over a dream, always history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping we will always be broken. future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damn it should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. To you. Yeah. Wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here, 'cause maybe in time you'll see, maybe I can be all you need. Yeah, lay all your love on me. Mama's here. Oh, I wrote a lullaby for you. No, no, no. Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only one to turn me on and turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby, hindsight is 2020. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby. You've been so patient, so patient. I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby.
Fancy. Oh, I wanted my colors zako shame today. They are the thing. Ayayenza into shame.
Your skin is flawless. Flawless. Very nice.
Thank you.
$4.20, eh?
All right.
What else? You're looking for foundation. You're looking for foundation only.
Yes, she said I do want concealer as well, but ngiyayisaba price yakhona.
Okay, come back next
I'll come back next time. Yes.
Sweet cute.
Ngithatha ivideo. Eh.
Body mist as well.
Oh. Who is calling me?
Very nice, eh?
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank